How to remove, add, and change video background in CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove, add, or change the video background using the CapCut applications into your device. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can do it, first of all, launch your CapCut application on your device. After you are done launching it, on the homepage, you'll be finding this new project option. So just click on it and you're going to select the background of the video that you want to change it into. So let's say I'm going to select this particular background, for example, this one right here for now, and click on add. And after add is added, and after the new project is created, you're just gonna make it adjusted on however the length of the video you want it to be. After that is done, in order to change the video background, we're going to overlay a video over this background. So click on add overlay and select a video with a person in it to change the background, or without a person also if you want. For example, this video right now. After that is done, what you're going to do is you're going to adjust this video according to the background size so that it becomes more smoother when you edit it. And after the video is selected, you're going to select the video below, and on the bottom you're going to look up for the option called remove background here. Just click on it and you'll be finding this option called auto removal, which is a pro version. You need to update to a pro version in order to do that. So what that does is when you apply that feature, it may take a minute or while for the feature to be applied, and you can see the video has been removed. So you can see the person's background has been removed and the background has been set to the background that we applied earlier. After that is done, that is how you basically do it. And after that is done, you're just going to export the video. But since it is a pro feature, you need to pay for it. So you may just pay for it and go further with the process of saving the video into a device. So that's how you basically remove a background or change the background if you want. If you want to change the background, just delete the previous background. After that, add a new background to the video. So that's how you basically do it. So you may also follow the same process in order to edit your video, remove the background, or make some changes to your video. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.